Main studio.
What is it called?
Right here. Synthesizer
The V2 Studio.
Now,
I like pie when I wake up. I feel sleepy.
ये सबसे crazy music event है इस पर मैं आया हूँ. Look at this. All these companies are making sick plugins, and now अब मैं inspire हो गया नए plugin बनाने के लिए. So Sauce Audio X Butter pretty soon. Pretty good plugin, pretty good founders, and we already have a mini set. But this guy, ये Japanese है और something कर रहा है भाई. बहुत भयंकर कर रहा है कुछ. ये सारे plugins देखने के बाद I am feeling very behind, but in the end we are doing one day at a time. One
Hold on,
day at a
before you
time.
do your vlog, where are these guys getting pizza from? Because I'm really hungry right now.
Let's get the pizza first. My favorite company, Baby Audio. This is why I started Sauce Audio. And this guy, ये बंदा मिडी पे मेलोडी बजाता है and उस पे शब्द लिखता है and ये शब्द कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं गाने के अंदर. So all they do is they would play the audio and then they would change the name of it. Now he'll write the lyric instead of the la la la. He's gonna say the words. That is sick. That's what I'm saying, you know. Guys, ये इवेंट इतना क्रेजी है. यहाँ पे FL Studio आया हुआ है and ये टीम सारी FL Studio से है. And यहाँ पे ये लोग शो कर रहे हैं कि आप FL Studio के अंदर क्या क्या बना सकते हो. Crazy stuff. And this is basically plugins for pedals for guitar. Amazing stuff over there. And ये है microphone and जो handmade है. मुझे इसके ओनर ने बताया कि इवन जो डब्बा इनका बनता है वो भी ये घर पे बनाते हैं, जो पैकिंग करते हैं लोग बेचने के लिए वहाँ. And absolutely amazing. This is the kind of personalization these guys do. AI hub. यहाँ पे सब कुछ AI वाला हो रहा है. And AI is actually taking over, man. There is no way कि AI creatively काम नहीं करेगा and AI आपको आगे नहीं बढ़ा सकता. Provided आप AI को AI की तरह यूज़ करो. You don't use it as a replacement of creativity. Yes, sir. So we are here with Soundbridge.
Yeah, Soundbridge, yeah.
Soundbridge. Perfect. Let's go.
Yeah, awesome, man. So Soundbridge is a one-screen, to-the-point digital audio workstation. Similar to Ableton, it works really well on just like one screen. You don't need like, you know, any multi-monitors. You know, the whole layout is just super easy to just open widgets. Many features in it. I mean, I can just like, it's a very, very, very deep DAW. But I'm just going to go over the features that we launched this year.
Right.
Okay, so we introduced the video track. All right, we are licensed with LA MPEG, so we got H.265, 264, 266 encoding. You can snap to specific frames. So if I wanted to put a position marker right on this frame, I just do that. If I right-click the position marker, I can put the position marker in linear time mode, and you can also do this for all tracks as well. So if I do Control L,
क्या लोग दीवाने हो गए, इतनी बढ़िया बढ़िया चीज़ें बना के आए हुए हैं और अब मेरा मन कर रहा है कि मैं कुछ जाके बढ़िया सा बनाऊँ. But I think one day at a time. A lot and lots of inspirational ideas, which is a good thing. It is also a little bit daunting, but what the hell? We are in a new age. Let's meet more people and let's make more amazing tools. This is actually a podcast station यहाँ पे जिन लोगों ने बनाया हुआ है. This is again a collective thing. I think यहाँ पे फोटो खींच रहे हैं लोग मस्ती. But I think I have enough photos already. I'm gonna move over there. ये बंदा OG है, 1970 से modular synths बना रहा है. And look at these wires and channels. These are all live भाई. इसने घर के अंदर बनाया है. इसकी उम्र देख लो. Amazing. Sounds so good. Then we have this thing over here. Everything is model over here. This one, that one, that one. वहाँ पे जो लोग घेर के खड़े हैं वो बंदा जीनियस है यार. यहाँ पे मास्टर क्लास हुई है फॉर द फैक्ट हाउ मॉडर्न इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स आर मेड. अमेजिंग. This is probably the best events I have ever attended in terms of music. And अब लग रही है भूख. I'm gonna go eat something. My old friend Content, उसके साथ हम म्यूजिक बनाते थे, and this guy is here as well. And I think everybody is taking music pretty seriously.
We're from Toronto.
Yeah, but we do events all over.
They are doing music mentorship programs in USA, Canada, and Mexico. I'm just blown away with the fact कि यार कितना amazing चीज़ें हैं करने के लिए म्यूज़िक इंडस्ट्री के अंदर. एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाई हम लोग को बताया नहीं जाता कि म्यूज़िक को पैसे कमाए कैसे जा सकते हैं. एंड ऑनेस्टली म्यूज़िक में पैसे बहुत ज़्यादा तरीके से कमाए जा सकते हैं अगर आप आर्टिस्ट हो. बट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर आप आर्टिस्ट के साथ एक बिजनेसमैन भी हो. सो आई एम बीन डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ कंटेंट विद मिस्टर कंटेंट.
What's up, guys? Well, I actually don't go by content anymore. That's
yeah?
an old name, yeah. You missed a lot, bro. You missed a lot.
3 years.
Yeah, man. A lot has changed since then. The city's different. The people are different. AKA, this person's a little different.
Yeah, he has a goatee now.
Yes, but the friendship still stays the same, yo. That's what's up.
But yo, content. We were discussing about how music, like how one can make a lot of money in music. What do you think?
I know all about that. I've made billions of dollars in streaming and shit. You know what it is. Actually, no. Well, so what's your serious question? Like,
No, my serious question is, when are you gonna be paying my royalties?
fucking, I don't know, man. You're gonna have to look in my butt.
Okay.
No, I'm just kidding, of course. Yeah, oh,
Nothing in there. Nothing in there.
Nothing's there. Yes. So, what was the question about making money in music, bro? I don't know anything about that. The only thing I know is just being an engineer and just like helping artists record their music and just being as much service as you can be to the artist. And
Who's gonna pay the bills?
the artist that pays you, bro.
Yeah.
But anyway, that's as much as I know. I made barely fuck all, but like that's as much as I know.
But I really love the creativity, and I love the fact that you're still going. You know.
Absolutely, bro. We can't give up, man. This is the dream, and that's the one thing that I hear, and that's what Young Guru shared this time when he was at the keynote. He's like, bro, just don't give up. There's gonna be many things that will make you question why you're still here and why you're still doing it, but just keep going.
Kevin, what do you think?
That's what he said.
Yeah, what content's that, bro?
Same. My answer also same. Nothing different.
Yeah. Boom. Let's go.
I'm not gonna say anything new, fam. You got it right to the point.
Drop the mic.
Oh,
That's
thanks.
it. That's the end of the vlog. That's the end of the podcast. Conclude it.
I'm gonna bring content on my podcast pretty
Let's
soon.
go.
Let's go.
Yeah, you should. Yeah, bring
Yeah.
Okay, yo.
Amazing event, guys.
Amazing event. Kunal Ji, I appreciate you inviting me, man. I didn't even hear about this event.
But this is gonna be the last of the vlog thing because we're gonna go eat. We are famished. I'm famished.
Absolutely famished.
So with all the learnings, what we learn is that we have to drop the L.
And?
Earn.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we can go to Peter Land too.
He has a mindset on Rock Road or whatever.
Nah, I don't give a fuck about that. We can go.
Yeah.
I just don't want to.
So it's time to eat, guys. And खाना वाना खाने के बाद, I'm very excited to go back home and start working on the other plugin. This is kind of like a landmark, CN Tower के बाद. So
Fresh burrito,
yeah, you know, whenever आप टोरंटो में हो, you can never miss this place. Screenshot my rap it is, and 500 small one, yes. That's the one I'm gonna have because घर पे खाना बहुत बना है already. इस इवेंट में जाने के बाद मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि चीज़ें बहुत सारी हैं जो करी जा सकती हैं जिसमें हम शायद एक्सप्लोर नहीं करते. मैंने काफ़ी टाइम बिता दिया है एज अ म्यूजिक प्रोड्यूसर, सिंगर सॉन्गराइटर, एंड मैं अभी भी वो कर रहा हूँ. बट अलॉन्ग विद दैट आई हैव टू बी रियलिस्टिक दैट दिस कैन ओनली बी डन व्हेन रिजल्ट्स आर देयर, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई डू फुल टाइम जॉब. एंड उसके साथ साथ आई एम लर्निंग सॉफ्ट ऑडियो. इफ आई कीप ऑन डूइंग व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, नेक्स्ट ईयर आई विल definitely. This is probably gonna be the last day of summer because I don't know क्यों जितनी ठंड होनी चाहिए इस समय इतनी ठंड है नहीं यहाँ पे. बट आई एम प्रिटी श्योर ऐसा रहना नहीं वाला ज़्यादा दिन. बैक टू होम नाउ एंड विल प्रॉब्ली क्रैश. आज इंडिया वर्सेस ऑस्ट्रेलिया है इन 2 घंटे में. I'm gonna probably do that and cheer for India from the sidelines. See you.